Alright guys, we're doing a power window switch replacement on my Ford Territory today. So here we go. The power window switches, main control one on the driver's side. So that's how it looks. Okay, that's the current one. I've got a few issues with it. One of these, this one being the main one, isn't working, and it's wearing out anyway, so it's time to replace. I've got all four, so I'll do the passenger side as well. Okay, so you just get one of these, or you can use a screwdriver as well if you got one. Screwdriver. I've got these prying tools, so plastic ones, so it doesn't hurt the plastic. I'm gonna see if I can pry it out, because all you need to do is just pry it out apparently. Let's see. It's not doing great yet. There we go. Can you watch it? I have to get in there somehow. I'll try the other tool. Let's see. Oh, where's the other one? Let's try this one. Let's get into
Still
this
recording.
corner. Okay. There we go. Just use my fingers after you got it open a little bit. Just use your fingers to pull it out. Okay, so
Wow, that hurts my ears.
pull the other side out.
Boom! Wow.
It's attached by cables. Okay, so
How many is there?
okay, so there, we just unclip the cable. There's a clip there. Just unclip it. Okay,
Oh, like that.
like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. And then we have the new one off eBay special. I'll put the link in the description. So
Wow.
brand new. See,
Spin you on?
brand new. All right, so hopefully it fits. It's always a thing, isn't it? And plus plug the cable back in. Make sure it clips in. Looks like it's clipped in. You can always test it before you clip it back in the door panel. By pressing that and going. There it is. Can you show the window working? Yeah. No, the camera. There we go. Okay, it's working. So push it back in now. Happy with that. See these clips here, just keep it in place. Both sides. So that's how it clips in place. So let's see that. Push it. There we go. And let's go front first, and then back.
Why are we
Let's
doing this one even though it just works?
Well, one of them wasn't working properly.
Really?
See, now it looks brand new.
Let me
It's
try.
not the original, but okay.
Can I unpause it?
Yep. Okay guys, so we're going to do the passenger side now. So the front passenger. This one is actually broken. See that? It's not working at all. So let's get this one out. Okay. So underneath again. So just pry it out. Let's go both sides. I've got my cameraman here. Whoa.
Dad, what did you just break?
Can you show? So the button actually broke out, so it was broken. So there it is.
Why did you break it out?
It was broken. Yeah.
So you just broke it out.
See? Broken. So that's the one that we needed to replace. Okay, so unclip it, same as the cable. Still recording?
Yes.
Show me.
Still recording.
Okay, good.
You
So unclip
touched
that.
it.
Alright, just unplug again. Oh, that's really broken. Look at that. In the bin.
They're both in the bin.
Okay, so the new one's here. There's a new one. Watch, please.
What?
Look, here's a new one.
That's the new one.
That's the new one. So plug it in. Only goes one way. Click and push it down to click in. Okay, can you do that? That's it. Pops in place. That's great. Now this one will be interesting to see if it actually works. So let's go. Ready? Yeah. Look at that. That was the problem. Perfect. So I bought all 4 replacements for the car. So same process goes for the back 2 windows as the same as the passenger side. So same process for all of them. Alright guys, so that's a quick video on replacing power window switches. Thanks for watching. See you next time.